Hey everybody, how you doing today? Just got a quick update. I was out driving around and I was kind of in the area of my UPS hub in Ames. So I popped in and got a hold of and talked to the driver manager and had a nice little conversation with him. Had a couple questions, and he was able to relate to me that at least in central Iowa they would not be requiring the PVDs until about the 15th of November. No biggie with that. So I had some other questions that I won't go into too heavily here, but he did tell me that we'll be using our cell phones instead of the Diad. There is a GPS map on there that I kind of assumed would be the case from what I saw. So basically it just drive you from stop to stop. He also indicated that once we got going that he would drive around with me for about a half a day or something like that and make sure everything was good and working well. So good things to report. Kind of got a hard date. It all depends on volume. They don't need us right now, but about the 15th of November is when they're anticipating needing us. And my specific hub, they had 2 PVD drivers last year. They're looking for 15 this year. They had 14 on the hook, but they lost a few that had backed out. So anyway, at least in the central Iowa area, Ames specifically, they're still looking for more PVDs. So if this is something that looks kind of attractive to you, get in there and talk to them. All right, that's it for now. Talk to you guys later. Have a good day.